To set up TSB Bank Mobile Check Deposit, start by downloading the TSB Mobile Banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and log in to your account using your username and password or fingerprint if your device supports it. Next, select the account you want to deposit the check into and navigate to the Deposit Check option. This is usually found under the Pay and Transfer or Account Management section. Before you start, make sure you have a clear and flat surface to place the check, and that the check is properly filled out and signed. The check also needs to be from a UK bank and in pounds sterling. To deposit the check, select the Deposit Check option and choose the account you want to pay the check into. Take a photo of the front and back of the check, making sure all four corners are visible and the image is clear. Review the details of the check, including the amount and the account details, to ensure everything is correct. If everything is in order, confirm the deposit and the funds will be added to your account. It is essential to keep the check safe until the funds have been added to your account, and then destroy the check as it will not be accepted at a TSB branch or another bank. You can check the status of the deposit in the mobile banking app, and if there are any issues, you will be notified. The mobile check deposit service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but funds may not be available until the next working day. By following these steps, you can easily and securely deposit checks using the TSB mobile banking app, saving you time and effort. Always ensure you are using the latest version of the app and that your device is secure to protect your account and personal data.